Hello everyone, I've come here to just show myself and say thank you for all of you for being with me on Patreon. I'm very grateful for that. It helps so much towards everything. All these materials you pay for on this filming materials and that, you know. Anyway, we've been asked to do by one or two of us to maybe do a few of these hake paintings. Now I think it's okay to try different things, and I think we'll do a few hake paintings and see what you think of them and how you like them, whether you want to try them or what. But we'll keep them clean and in variety. There's a lot of the hake paintings that they can be a bit muddy by putting paint up on paint instead of trying to show the cleanness of the paper coming through. Anyway, that's bye-bye. We'll get back to we'll knock off that £8 tier, make it all 4, concentrate more on our Patreon, and maybe a little less on our YouTube. And well, that's all I want to say. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, love you all, see you again shortly. Keep going. Bye bye.